Hello guys, what's up? And I'm back again with my another video, and this is lecture 5, which is of Python. And yep, we have learned something about variables in part 1 and part 2. For that video, the link is in the description. Just go and check it out, that link. And yeah, let's go and learn the list, the concept about list, and the basic progressions that we make in list among the data. And yeah, we can just replicate and manipulate the data with our choices. So let's go ahead. So first of all, what you have to do is just go in your Python ideally, or 3 point what version you're using, that shell, and just type lst. This means I'm taking an example list which is identified from the name lst. Okay, so lst is the name of my list, and now I'm taking the elements. Say okay, first of all, just go like, share and subscribe this channel. Don't forget to press that bell icon so that you can get the regular updates. So let's move ahead. lst is the name of my list, and yeah, elements, I will be taking all the elements numerical. So it's 12, 23, 34 and 56. So these are my example elements, which are these all four elements are considered in the list. What you have to do is just press the enter, and this lst named list will be accepted to your Python IDLE shell. Now let's move further. lst, when I will press enter, just you see that 12, 23, 34, 56, all these four elements are being printed or displayed on your IDLE shell or 3.7, any version you're using of your shell. So list 12, 23, 34, 56 are the items. 12, 23, 34, 56 are the elements in my list, which is named as lst. Now what we are going to doing is we're just using some techniques to get the specific element from that lst named list. So what I'm going to doing is lst square brackets, which are going to define my index number of that element in that specific list. So let's just specify 12. To specify or to print specifically any particular element, you should be knowing the index number. Index number is quite easier to understand, and yeah, I have just given the link in description. Check it out for indexing video, which is my previous video before this. So if you wanna print 23, you have to get that index number of that 23. So here 23 is having 1 as index number, so let me just print it. So yeah, it shows 23 as the position on the index number 1. You get it? Now if someone says to display 34, what will you do? So just lst square brackets, and just 2 is the index number for the 34, or the indexing. You can say it the position. In computer science, the position or counting starts from 0, because 0 is the smallest bit in the computer. 34 here, so you just specify 2 here and you get the 34 as the element number, because here the index number is 2, like 0, 1 and 2. You get it? If you not, just repeat that video, backtab this video, and yeah, go through it again. Is to display 23 and 34. What will you do then? You have to make the range, and range is quite important in just specifying more than one element from the list as a printing screen. So to do that, you have to just make a range, which is quite like, you have to specify the initial index number, which is, say someone is saying to me just print 23 and 34 with each other. So what you have to do is just type the index number in that square bracket of 23, because this is the initial pair. So what you have to do is just press 1 and the ratio sign, or you call colon in another language, and yeah, 34 having any index number as 2. So what you have to do is, instead of pressing 2, you have to press the 3. It means lst list from 1 to 3. It's creating a range from the index number 1 to the index number 3. Here the elements on the index number 1 is specifying the 23. So you know, and 3 is specifying the 56, since the final index position is excluded and the initial position or the initial index position is being included. The range accepts like 23 to 34, as this example is being considered in this video. For more videos like this, just subscribe this channel. And yeah, this is the only part 1. We will be getting the 3 parts of this video on the list quite soon. Stay tuned, subscribe this channel. Goodbye, peace.